Would you guys prefer seeing the sea light as the turn signals or the sequential functionalities of the turn signal? So I already took out the 9 pop clips underneath the vehicle, so I just need to worry about this one and the one on the other side for the passenger side, and then I need to take out a few pop clips and 10mm bolts on top. So I finally got the front bumper out. It was pretty much of a struggle because I forgot that this pop clip was there, and then basically kind of ruined everything while I was trying to take it off. But everything is going smoothly so far. I just need to take this out. So I'm having an issue whether or not I should run this, I guess, the wire behind the battery, or if I should try to tuck this cord basically more into the fuse box and run it out into this seam. I guess just what would you guys do in terms of how you guys would tuck this wire into the fuse box? How I did it was just wire it coming out here and then behind the battery and then into the seam, which is connected to, I guess, the headlights. So I decided to go to the gym right after I installed the headlights because 1, I was sweating like crazy, and 2, I needed to take a shower. But I wanted to ask you guys something regarding the sequential headlights. I want to know if you guys would prefer seeing the sea light as the turn signals or the sequential functionalities of the turn signals. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, and also if you guys know anyone who's selling any parts that are compatible with the 2015 WRX, please hit me up on Instagram or just tag your friends. I'm actually looking for an access port. In addition to that, if you guys know anyone who needs an OEM, I guess, chrome headlights, also hit me up or tag your friends because I don't know what to do with them. I'll probably just give them away. And basically they're just a waste of space now. So again, if you guys have any performance parts, please hit me up, and thank you guys for watching.